Welcome to LSKSM Vlogs. Today, explore the top 30 types of locomotives that changed the world forever and discover the engines that revolutionized railway transportation. Introduction. Welcome to LSKSM Vlogs. Today, we are exploring the top 30 types of locomotives that changed the world forever, from the age of steam to today's high-speed electric trains. Discover how these remarkable locomotives revolutionized transportation, powered industrial growth, and connected people and nations across the globe. Let's begin this incredible journey through railway history. 1. Broad gauge locomotive. Broad gauge locomotives operate on wide railway tracks, providing excellent stability and higher speeds for passenger and freight services. They are widely used in countries like India, Russia, and Spain for heavy-duty transportation. 2. Diesel mechanical locomotive. Diesel mechanical locomotives transmit engine power directly through a mechanical gearbox. They are commonly used for light-duty operations, industrial railways, and short-distance shunting because of their simple design. 3. Diesel hydraulic locomotive. Diesel hydraulic locomotives use a hydraulic transmission instead of electric motors, offering smooth acceleration and reduced maintenance. They have been widely used in Germany and several European countries. 4. Steam locomotive. Steam locomotives are powered by steam produced from boiling water using coal, wood, or oil. They revolutionized transportation during the Industrial Revolution and became symbols of the golden age of railways. 5. Electric locomotive. Electric locomotives draw power from overhead wires or a third rail, producing high efficiency with zero direct emissions. They dominate modern high-speed and urban railway networks worldwide. 6. Battery electric locomotive. Battery electric locomotives store energy in rechargeable batteries, making them ideal for mines, tunnels, and environmentally sensitive areas. They reduce emissions and operate quietly. 7. Gas turbine electric locomotive. Gas turbine electric locomotives generate electricity using powerful gas turbines. Although they delivered impressive horsepower, high fuel costs limited their widespread adoption. 8. Steam turbine locomotive. Steam turbine locomotives used steam turbines instead of traditional pistons to improve efficiency. Despite innovative engineering, mechanical complexity prevented them from becoming commercially successful. 9. Hybrid locomotive. Hybrid locomotives combine diesel engines with battery-powered electric systems to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. They are increasingly used for environmentally friendly rail operations. 10. Dual-mode locomotive. Dual-mode locomotives can operate using either diesel power or electric power, allowing seamless travel across electrified and non-electrified routes. They provide flexibility without changing locomotives. 11. Electro-diesel locomotive. Electro-diesel locomotives primarily use electric power but switch to onboard diesel engines where overhead electrification is unavailable. They improve operational efficiency across mixed railway networks. 12. High-speed locomotive. High-speed locomotives are designed to pull trains at speeds exceeding 200 km per hour, 124 miles per hour. They support rapid intercity travel with advanced aerodynamics and powerful electric propulsion. 13. Maglev train. Maglev trains use magnetic levitation technology to float above the tracks, eliminating wheel friction. This allows them to reach extraordinary speeds while providing a smooth and quiet ride. 14. Hydrogen fuel cell locomotive. Hydrogen fuel cell locomotives generate electricity through hydrogen fuel cells, producing only water vapor as a byproduct. They represent a promising solution for sustainable railway transportation. 15. Autonomous locomotive. Autonomous locomotives use artificial intelligence, sensors, and automation to operate with minimal human intervention. They improve safety, efficiency, and operational reliability in modern rail systems. 16. Mining locomotive. Mining locomotives transport ore, coal, and heavy materials through underground mines and industrial sites. They are specially engineered to operate safely in harsh and confined environments. 17. Military armored locomotive. Military armored locomotives are reinforced with protective armor for transporting troops, equipment, and supplies during wartime. They provide enhanced protection against attacks in conflict zones. 18. Diesel-electric locomotive. Diesel-electric locomotives use diesel engines to generate electricity that powers traction motors. They are among the most widely used locomotive types because of their reliability and versatility. 19. Rack railway locomotive. Rack railway locomotives feature a cogwheel system that engages with a toothed rail, enabling them to climb extremely steep gradients. They are commonly used in mountainous regions. 20. Geared steam locomotive. Geared steam locomotives transmit power through gears instead of direct connecting rods, providing greater traction at low speeds. They were ideal for logging, mining, and steep terrain. 21. Articulated locomotive. Articulated locomotives consist of multiple pivoting engine sections, allowing them to negotiate sharp curves while hauling exceptionally heavy loads. They became famous for their immense pulling power. 22. Mallet locomotive. Mallet locomotives are articulated compound steam locomotives designed for hauling heavy freight over mountainous routes. Their innovative design improved efficiency and tractive effort. 23. Garrett locomotive. Garrett locomotives feature a central boiler supported by two powered engine units. Their unique articulated design delivers exceptional power while maintaining flexibility on winding tracks. 24. Tank locomotive. Tank locomotives carry water and fuel directly on the locomotive instead of using a separate tender. Their compact size makes them ideal for short distance, suburban, and industrial railway services. 25. Tender locomotive. Tender locomotives carry coal, oil, and water in a separate trailing tender, allowing longer operating distances. They became the standard design for large steam locomotives around the world. 26. Shunting locomotive. Shunting locomotives are built to move railway cars within stations, depots, and freight yards. Their high pulling power at low speeds makes them essential for rail yard operations. 27. Passenger locomotive. Passenger locomotives are designed for speed, smooth acceleration, and reliable long-distance travel. They provide comfortable and efficient transportation for millions of passengers every year. 28. Freight locomotive. Freight locomotives are optimized for maximum tractive effort to haul heavy cargo over long distances. They form the backbone of global trade by moving goods efficiently across railway networks. 29. Mixed traffic locomotive. Mixed traffic locomotives are versatile engines capable of hauling both passenger and freight trains. Their balanced design offers flexibility for rail operators on diverse routes. 30. Narrow gauge locomotive. Narrow gauge locomotives operate on tracks narrower than the standard gauge, making them ideal for mountainous, rural, and industrial railways. Their compact design allows operation through tight curves and challenging terrain. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through the top 30 types of locomotives that changed the world forever. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to LSKSM Vlogs for more exciting content on transportation, engineering, history, and technology. Let us know in the comments which locomotive is your favorite and what topic you'd like to see next. These videos are not only for the current generation. They are a humble effort to preserve knowledge, history, science, and human achievements for future generations. Thank you to everyone who supports and encourages this journey of building a digital library of learning for tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the LSKSM Vlogs channel, like, comment, and share it to help pass on knowledge to future generations. Your support and encouragement mean a lot to us. G. Sobhanadri Rao, LSKSM Vlogs.